Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we're 2013 Mazda 3, stock number 6048. This ran from 06-2006 at attempt 2013. It has a LEF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the LEF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy made tyre, left front mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear door 2 dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy made tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy made tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front guard 1 dent, right front 16-inch factory alloy made tyre, right front mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,